Ready? Hey, this is Jerry at Carpets of Arizona. I want to show you the short video, and it's short for a few reasons. The actor's short, the person holding the camera is actually shorter than me. But this is a smart strand from Mohawk, and it has nanotechnology. Ooh, that's cool. It's really soft carpet, but it cleans super well. Check out this up here. We had a Back the Blue barbecue in honor of police officers, and we let the kids get this all messed up with mustard and ketchup and barbecue sauce, wine, soda. They got everything on it from head to toe, and we had half of it cleaned with hot water extraction. So this stuff cleans up good, but what I love the most is it's really a soft carpet. That's why we call it comfortable living. Available in a 65, 55, or 45 ounce. Perfect carpet for a busy household. Something you want looking beautiful for a long time. Come out to our Chandler or Glendale location, and we look forward to seeing you.